Hello students, in our today's class we are going to discuss about standard 9 mathematics exercise 1.3. So our very first number question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So it is 36 by 100 means 0.36, it is terminating. 1 divided by 11 is equals to 0.0909, it continues, so it is non-terminating and repeating. 4 whole into 1 by 8 is equals to 33 by 8 is equals to 4.125, it is terminating. 3 divided by 13 is equals to 0.230769 and continues. It is non-terminating and it is repeating. 2 divided by 11 is equals to 0.1818 and continues. So it is non-terminating and it is repeating. Last bit, 329 divided by 400 is equals to 0.8225. It is a perfectly terminating fraction. So all these numbers you have to find out only by long division process. Bit number 1 and bit number 6 you need not to be divided because it is a multiple of 100. So you can find it only by observation. Coming to question number 2, it says, you know that 1 by 7 is equals to this value, predict the values for 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. So here see, simply visualize the 1 by 7, it is 142,857 bar. So when we are calculating 2 by 7, we can simply multiply a 2 over 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 value is equals to this much. When multiplied with 2, it gives 14 into 2 means 28. So value will start from 2857 like this. Similarly, for 3 by 7, it is a product of 1 by 7 and 3. So 14 into 3 is equals to 42. So value will start from 42. Now see here, 428571 bar. Similarly, 4 by 7 means 1 by 7 into 4. So 14 into 4 is equals to 56. 56 not available. So it will start from 57. So 0 point bar of 571428. Our question number 3, it says, express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. So bit 1, it says that 0.6 bar. So whatever value is given to us, generally it is taken as x. So let x is equals to this value, its expansion means 0.666 continues. So now see, after decimal only one digit is repeating itself. So we have to take multiple of 10. So 10x will be, this 6 will come to this part. So it becomes 6.666. In such type of questions, our basic aim is to eliminate the after decimal repeating parts. So here 6.666 continues. So subtract this value from this value. It becomes 10x minus of x, that is 9x. 6.666 minus of 0.666, it becomes 6. So 9x equal to 6 means x is equals to 6 by 9. Its simplest form is 2 by 3. Bit 2, x is equals to 0.4 bar of only 7. So now see how to eliminate this one. So first of all, we have to shift this 4 to this side, whole part to the left of the decimal. So first to find out 10x, it will be 4.777. So in order to eliminate this one, we cannot subtract this from this. We have to take this 7 also to the left hand side. So 100x is equals to 47.777. Now in both these two cases, we have the same repeating part. So 100x minus of 10x becomes 43. So 90x is equals to 43 means x is equals to 43 divided by 9. Bit 3, x is given as, or the value is given as 0.001 bar. It is exactly repeating, and see, after decimal 3 digits are repeating. So undoubtedly multiply 1000. That means 3 digit means 1 will take 3 zeros. So it becomes 1000x. 1000x equal to 1 by 1 point this value, because 001 come to the whole part and it becomes 1. So 1000x minus of x is equals to 1. So 999x is equals to 1 means we have x is equals to 1 divided by 999. Question number 4, it says, express 0.999 in the form of a P by Q. So again, let x is equals to 0.999 means 0.9 bar of 9. So only one digit repeating, so 10x will be calculated. So 10x is equals to 9.999. So in order to eliminate this one, subtract this value from this value. So 10x minus of x, so it is 9x. So 9x is equals to this part eliminated, remaining is the 9. So x will be equals to 9 by 9 is equals to 1. In order to write it in p by q form, we have 1 divided by 1. Question number 5. What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? 1 by 17, you have to do it in long division process. Take 1 here at the dividend part, at the divisor part 17, and you will perform your actual process, and you can get the quotient value in such a manner 0.05882 and continues. I have considered only about up to this point. You can proceed to some more points. Question number 6. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers with no common factors. So whatever value you are writing, put in mind that this p and this q, numerator denominator, must not contain any common factor except 1. I have written 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10 and 1 by 12, and it is asking that it must be terminating decimal expansions. Yes, 1 by 2 is terminating 0.5, 1 by 4 is equals to 0.25, 1 by 5 means 0.2, and it continues. So what is the property or characteristics of q? So here q must be a multiple of 2 or 5 or both. See here, multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 5, multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of both 2 and 5. Question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. So decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. I have randomly written 0.164320. I cannot predict what particular digit will come after 0. So it is continuing, that means non-terminating. I cannot predict, so it becomes a non-repeating. So automatically it becomes irrational. In the same manner, I have written these and these 2 numbers. Question number 8. You have to find 3 irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Here 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are non-terminating but repeating. So they are rational, but question is asking to find out 3 irrational numbers. So 5 by 7 value first find out by long division process. So it is coming 0.714285, and 9 by 11 is coming 0.81. So between 0.71 and 0.81 I have find out these 3 numbers which are non-repeating. It continues but it is non-repeating, so it becomes irrational numbers. Question number 9 says classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So root 23 is an irrational number, because as we know root 2, root 3, root 5, all these numbers are irrational numbers. Root of 2 to 5, it is a perfect square number, so it is 15, it is rational. 0.3796, it is terminating, so it is rational. 7.478478, it is its actual value is 7.478, so it is rational, as it is non-terminating but repeating, so it is rational. Last bit, 1.10, 100, 100, it continues. So as it is non-terminating and non-repeating, so it becomes irrational. So we have completed our exercise 1.3. In our next class we will do next exercise 1.4. So thank you.